we will learn about the sense organs, which are the body parts responsible for receiving information from the environment through various senses. There are 5 sense organs: nose, eyes, ear, tongue, skin. Eyes help us see the world around us. For example, this is a parrot we can see with our eyes. This is a cat. This is an elephant. Our eyes help us see animals like parrots, cats, and elephants, etc. Ears help us hear sounds like music or people talking. For example, with our ears we can hear sounds such as a dog barking. We can hear the rhythm of a man beating a drum with our ears. The nose helps us smell things like flowers, food, or fresh air. For example, the fragrance of the flower is lovely. The tongue helps us taste food. We can taste sweet, bitter things. For example, our tongue can taste flavors like sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. The skin feels when something is soft, warm, or cold. For example, I put on my warm jacket to stay warm because it is really cold today. There is a lot of warmth in the air today.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.